All right, everybody, I'm BJ from the 478. If anybody is new to my channel, I'm an audio enthusiast and I own OCD Audio LLC in Centerville, Georgia. You can Google me and it'll tell you everything about me. So what it is what I actually finish up on some certain things on this is episode 4 of this 1975 build, this Caprice Classic, which is ultra clean. I went ahead and if you remember me talking about the retro style radio, I went ahead and bolted it in and adjusted everything for it today. And I also have his new speaker pod custom built to match the car, completed. And let me just show you that right quick. So this is exactly where this pod goes. It goes right here. And there's some more defoaming I need to do. But it was so hot today. It was just like everything was slow motion, and I didn't get enough stuff that I wanted to do to get done. But I told you I was going to get episode 4 out of here, and so let me show you exactly what I did complete, and then we go from there. So, amp rack, DSP, 2 4-channels, and those 4 channels were chosen not only because they are brushed aluminum and they match the wheels. Well, long story short, I don't know if you know, but sometimes you may get a hiccup with those drip pans up here leaking, and you know where they always leak? Right around in here. So you see where those are located. So hopefully we won't get any water or any moisture inside of them, and if we do, they will be all right. So his new pod I just got completed is going to be this unit here. And man, this thing is wild. See, can you see colors in it? Yes. So what this consists of are the Neo, the actual with the Neo magnet on it, like the Bamas. I also used the 3-inch Bamas in the top right hand corners of that dashboard, but the ones that I readily sell to the public, which will be these units here, are going to have the actual the MR60s in it. The MR60s are just as good. The actual Bamas and the PRV makes a speaker, the NDY, just like this. But what it is it's light. It's a little bit lighter on the weight, saves you some weight, and they sound terrific. This is one outstanding speaker. If you don't know anything about Bamas, you can't readily, in this size, get more bang for the buck. This thing is phenomenal. PRVs are great speakers as well, but if you just wanna treat yourself with it costs a little bit more money, I will go with the Bamas. So long story short, this is what I'm gonna do. Also in that vehicle, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do for bass. I am going to run a Dayton Audio bass shaker. I'm going to run one under the driver's seat and one under the passenger seat. And so how this operates and how this works, you remember I told you in my first video that I am a home theater guy. You see what I'm saying? So I have in my sofas, when I'm playing my game, I want to feel the effect and the bump. Bass is non-directional. So a long story short, you're not going to get stuff rattling around with a bass shaker. You're going to get a nice clean, you're going to get vocals. And what these don't play the bass, you will actually get the feeling. And if you want to know what these do, if you ever held your Xbox or PlayStation 4 controller and time you shoot it or whatnot, the controller goes nuts and freaks out and it starts shaking in your hand, that's what that is. So what I'm gonna run on it is a DD. I'm gonna run a little 600 watt amp on them. These things only are rated anywhere from 50 to 100 watts, but I'd rather have more power with the bass knob off that DSP. I'll be able to turn it up and down, and that way he'll be able to get into the mix and stuff, because we're not going to run bass in the car. We're going to run nice and clean, but this right here will be bolted under the driver's seat and bolted under the passenger seat, and they have to be stable now. You have to cut a piece of wood and mount them up in there, but man, it will give you the effect that bass is in the car. Just everybody else is not going to hear it coming down the road, but the driver will get the experience of him having bass in his vehicle without the box. Long story short. So this is what I'm gonna do for you customers. Anybody that likes and subscribe to my channel, what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna do a slight giveaway. So what I need are the first 200 comments, and you can leave a comment by telling me the year, make, and model of your car, and give me a name. You know, it could be John Doe. But long story short, whatever it is, you're gonna pick a number from 1 to 100. Whatever your favorite number is, that's how I'm gonna be able to pull. And whatever number I pull, even though we have, say for instance, you know, you get a couple customers that pick the same number. Whatever number, then we'll go and pull again. But what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm gonna give away, and with free shipping and handling. I don't want any of your money. I just want you to like and subscribe, share my videos. The more subscribers we get, the more I'm able to help my community. So, long story short, what I need are your comments. Just leave me year, make, and model of your vehicle, and tell me why you want one of these. And leave me a number from 1 to 100. And that's how it's going to decipher who wins in that category. So the first time I pull the numbers, I don't care if everybody's got number 9. If I got 50 people with 9, I'm gonna keep on doing till it's one winner. You're gonna get a plate of your choice. You can get an all black, or you can get something colored. Now these things right here are $3.99 with the MR60s. They are $5.25 with the Beamers, and it's free shipping and handling. So now the second drawing is going to be for just a regular plate. You can get it all black, or you can get it a color, however you want. I sell these plates for $175, free shipping and handling. So if you want to buy your own speakers or Wham, or you want to place an order for one of those, just reach out to me, leave it in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to get in contact with you, or you can Google OCD Audio LLC and give me a call. You can place your order over the phone. Now, so that's gonna be the second place, and the third place, we're gonna just do some Alpine tweeters. So bam, all you have to do, people, we're gonna do this again. Year, make, and model of your car. The first 200 comments, I am going to give away a free speaker pod. The second one, I'm gonna give away a free pod plate. You can add your own stuff. And the third pool I'm gonna give a free set of tweeters. And all this is free shipping and handling. I need your comments. Let's get me up to 10,000. That way I can go ahead and give out the free install. Everything's gonna, for one of these cars, all your audio equipment is gonna be included. The installation, box, woofers. I'm gonna do a full system, and you're gonna get something nice. So I'm not gonna put no junk in your car either. And let's see. So like I said, I got the retro style radio in. I'll put the pod in tomorrow. And what else? I'll finish up the back pods in here. The back pods, like I said, they're gonna house 2 3s on each side and a tweeter. And then I'm gonna do an 8 or 6.5, and I'm in the mix of making those. So what you're gonna have to do, you gotta stay tuned to my channel. I'm BJ from the 478. We're located in Centerville, Georgia, at OCD Audio LLC. If you need me, reach out to me, Google my business. I greatly appreciate you tuning in. Episode 5 coming next Sunday, and hopefully I'll have all those pods finished along with the center channel. That way I can put everything in and give you a taste of what we got going on. Thank you.